beautiful solar system bracelet. Buenas, buenas, mi gente. Hoy tenemos otro bonito brazalete que es de sistema solar, del universo, para mujeres y hombres. Está hecha por piedras naturales. El brazalete es unisex para todos. Queda muy bonito. Es genial. Pues ahora cambio a inglés. Muy bien, muy bien. So guys, let's go ahead and sew the bracelet. So these are the materials I used. A dark colored beading wire. Here I have the beads, the stone beads, they are natural. And the beads here I have the sun, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Here I have all the stones, and these stones are so unique. The texture, the color, they're very beautiful. So guys, sit back and see how I fill in the beads into the beading wire, how I arranged all the colors one after the other. So this solar system bracelet symbolizes you as the sun and everything else that surrounds you as the other planets, resulting in positive energy. Wear this bracelet knowing that you are your own powerful star, releasing positive, powerful energy to everyone and everything around you. Meanwhile, continue to watch and see how I designed and I fixed in and aligned all the colors, all the beautiful beads to make a beautiful bracelet, a beautiful solar system bracelet. And here you see where I showed the yoga pendant bracelet for women. It's a very beautiful one also, mostly used in yoga. And here I have the beautiful universe bracelet. We have come almost to the end of this video. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thanks for tuning in. May God continue to bless you all as you keep subscribing, returning back to see the latest video on board. Thank you all. Love you guys. And see you all in my next video.